So you're back for your fix, my great recovering Lego users. There's just a little bit of humor here. No hating on whatever it is that's offensive to. La moto de Captain America. It's made in Denmark, Hungary, Mexico, China, and the Czech Republic. Very nice. Kids go free to Legoland. It expired in 2017 though, so this one's a bit of an older set, but it's a nice looking little superheroes. It's Civil War. Yeah, I was gonna say it's Civil War by this Iron Man and Captain America, but yeah, there's a Civil War logo too. Captain America's got a bike. Yeah, I mean, how hard could it be? Okay. Just like the real YouTube people. So legs and the body, that's easy enough. He's got nice brown hands and he's got one face. Back printing? Yep, he got back printing. Front printing. Wow. Looks great. That head looks great. Wow. Over there he can stand next to the windmill. So let's check out these instructions. I'm pretty sure I could do it without the instructions, but let's be nice and assume that there's something complicated here. 12 instructions, 1 subassembly, 13 total things. And there's also a figure. I hate how they just do this. They're just like, there's Captain America. He's already ready to go, and then build the rest of it. So, very nice gunmetal gray undercover, not cover. What's that thing called? Chassis? There's silvery bits here. Wow, the putting on the tires is one step, but there's no sub-step for that. Very difficult. You can see why this is not a good set. Oh, it was back there. I was like, did I seriously not get that piece? Wouldn't have that been fun? Wouldn't that have been fun? So, okay. Motorcycle, done. Now we gotta build this sub-assembly. Side assembly. This goes with the 1x3, and we put another, there it is, one here. Red thing goes on the front. That's where we're going to put the shield, I believe. This goes up this way. Okay. Nope, it goes here. Look at that. And then we're going to put this piece on the front. There's only 25 pieces. This is a really small little, kind of dinky build, to be fair. But we're not here to rate the build. Literally, that's what I'm here for, actually. I'm wrong. We're going to put a tire here. Okay. And then this piece, okay. So this goes in here. And this goes here. Okay. And then these two go together. That sticks out. So I don't usually mention things like this. Let me see, I can use the corner of my pan here. But it's really clever how Lego covered up this one bad spot in the set. That crossbar does not look great there. But Lego had the forethought to go ahead and actually cover it up so you wouldn't even know it's there. And the final bit is this flick fire missile. It goes right here. Is that right? Does this go farther down? It goes farther down, but that looks dangerously like they're touching to me. So any kind of not perfectly straight or upward shot It's the shield? Maybe I can raise that up. Okay, so I just won't push that down all the way, because if you push it down all the way, then it's messed up. So does it say that? It doesn't really mention the height in the instructions at all. It just says flick it. It just says flick it. Oh, I guess you can turn it too, so you could turn it out of the way. There, I got it to shoot pretty good, actually. I don't think you could see it, though, because my hand was in the way. That was a pretty good shot, but it probably is too high frame rate for the camera. Anyways, that's the build. Captain America can fit on there. You can adjust his hands in the motorcycle pose to fit onto the motorcycle's handlebars. I guess Captain America is wearing a helmet. I was going to say he's not wearing a helmet, so that's not very safe, but he's also a Superman. Super soldier, comic book man. Very nice. It rolls real well. That can aim, so we can shoot off at any enemy that we come across in the wild. Pretty good. Knocked over my my thing. So that's the video. 7 out of 10. Playability is high. Collectability is super high on this one because it says Civil War Marvel superheroes. Yeah, there's an extra piece, so good value. Click on my guy over here for a subscription, automatic video over here. In the middle is Captain America, and that is a video that I picked for you. Okay, click on one of those things. Bye.